Hello friends, we are making a video on B8 second semester drama art in education. This is my logo of the video. Watch it. It's attractive now. Then we see the logo of our college. Okay. This is the index. Title of content. Common index, types of arts, festivals of India in types, drama in types, dance definition, benefits, mainstream, folk dance, art in education, and education in art. It's a brief description. Okay. Then we goes to index of art, painting, and many more. I taken many paintings and diagrams or creative work with this. First is pastel painting. I made a cartoon and fabric painting, mixed collage painting, rangoli, body art painting, the kind of mehendi, paper folding, poster painting, stick art, greeting card, pencil shading, and musical instrument. Great musician and awarded personality. Then drama theatre, mask, sand painting, puppets making, doormat, colors on nature, colors and their meaning, how colors affect on our body and human behavior, and mixing of color, and that's it, the end. Common index. Arts, music, drama, dance, festivals are 5 pillars of this index. Then types of arts. Arts are 2 types: visual art and performing art. And visual art describing art and craft, and performing art describing dance, drama, and music. And this is the arts and its benefit. I take a logo there. Benefits of arts. Here we go. Then art, kind of creative impulse. The meaning of world art. Classical branches of arts are painting, sculptures, and architecture. Architecture, body art, and brief art. Description of these. Then cinema and comic writing. Dance, digital art, drawing, greeting cards, etc. Mehendi, it's art of body art. Clay work, ceramic painting, and ceramic work. Thread art, jute work, and awarded person in art field. Sub-index of famous festivals. Festivals of India are divided into most common festivals: cultural festival and national festival. Festivals of India. There is cultural festivals logos and the description of Indian festivals. Cultural festival of India are Durga Puja, Dashera. These are logos and I attach there. Diwali, Holi, etc. Then Christmas, Eid, and Raksha Bandhan. The logos and the pictures are attached there. Attached to here. Then we making national festivals of India. Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day, and many more. Then importance and benefit of national festival. Benefits of festivals. Photography, goldsmith, grafting, opera, music, painting, and photography. And then we write for poetry writing, pottery, woodwork, and writing. Then starting a drama. What is a drama? Drama is the part of art. Then I also taken drama in the sub-index of drama. Drama and its element, photos of drama, and drawing, and a drama made by me. What is drama? I taken a definition of drama is there. What is the elements of drama? I recognized by these circles of drama. Example: theater, props, scenes, scripts, dialogues, acts, and audience narrators. I describe these elements of drama in the circles. The drama. What is drama? Its composition, and what is the dramatist or play what? Types of drama: comedy. I taken a comedy drama in there. I take a drama in which Jack and Jill were rotated here. They are two boats of laughing or weeping. The kinds of photos of drama I attach there. Then an Allegory and Jack. Comedy, tragedy, force, melodrama, musical drama is the type of drama. Then we attach some index of dance. The main portion of dance is here we goes. Sub-index of dance, types of dance, description, some other famous forms and famous personalities, history of culture, and benefits of dance. Definition of dance and benefits of dance I wrote there. Then what is the points of dance I wrote there. History of culture. Classical dance form recognized by Ministry of Culture of India. There are many more types of dance in India: Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Odissi, and Satyara, Manipuri, and Mohiniyattam. These are the types of main dance. Then I wrote a folk dance of India: Bihu, Kanganatam, war dance, Jai Jani dance, and Ghumar dance. There is a attached photo are attached there. Lattu dance, Garba, Ghumar, and Bharatanatyam and Kathakali was also used in there. Art in education and education is art. The difference between, I wrote there, the difference between art and education and art. What is the kind of art? Okay. Art in education is an expanded field at educational research, protective, informed by the individual into the learning through at experience in the context of the art, or can include performing art, education, dance, drama, music, literacy, poetry, and sub-individual visual art, education from craft and designs, digital art, media, photography. It is a distinguished from art education by being not so much about teaching art, but focused on how to improve learning through arts, how to transform learning through arts to other disciplines, discoveries, and creating understanding of human behavior. Education in art. Education in art is an internal part of the development of each human being. Arts education refers to education in the discipline of music, dance, theatre, and visual art. Study in the arts is integrated to our society. They are part of cultural heritage of our India. The art are what makes us most human, most complete, or people. The art cannot be learned through occasionally or a random exposure anymore. They math or science can also. I taken a photo of related art book in pen. It's a T diagram. Then next is music, theater, singing, playing instrument. The next section is a start of my drawing, painting, or artistic. Okay, it's a first is pastel painting. I use pastel color for this cartoon painting. Then fabric painting is there. Fabric painting, work on fabric. I got mixed collage painting. I use there flowers, digital moti, sparkles, and the grass of the field. What is rangoli? I wrote the rangoli's definition and its types. How many types? Alpana, freehand, dotted, flower rangoli, glass rangoli, wooden rangoli, and floating rangoli. I draw the rangoli is their part of this. Mehndi. What is the mehndi? Mehndi is a type of body art. I taken types of body arts and mehndi: Indian mehndi design, Arabic, Indo-Western, Punjabi, Gujarati, Moroccan, and Pakistani. These are the types of mehndi. I also made a mehndi design on a pure mehndi design on a paper. Then I covered it with polythene. Paper folding technique makes a beautiful art of this file. Then I make a poster painting. Then I make a stick art with sticks. Poster painting are made by poster colors. Stick art Ganesha, stick art Gamla, and greeting also. I made a annual day function invitation greeting cards. This is the cards. Here we goes. Then I shaded with pencil shading. I shading with music can change the world of music substances. Music unlocks self-expression, intelligence, creativity, and music. Music can change the world. What is music? I wrote a definition of a music, an arrangement of a sounds having melody, rhythm, usually harmony, classical music, the art of productivity, pleasure and exposure, combination of rhythmic melody, voice and harmony with the pleasant sounds. There are types of music: classical music, pop music and folk music. Then musical instruments are attached there. Then I take our great musicians, singers photos in there. Lata Mangeshkar is the 91-year-old singer which are awarded by Bharat Ratna. Awarded personality, I take Zakir Hussain and Pandit Ravi Shankar and Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia, Ustad Basmullah Khan are the awarded and famous personality of music industry. I make a drama stage there. Then I make their mask. Then I make a engraving painting by sand. Then I make a doormat and puppets. Then I make the colors, the point colors, sub-index, colors of nature, colors and their meaning, how colors affect on our body and human behavior. Mixing of color is most essential there. I make a rainbow of colors. Colors make our life so beautiful. 7 colors of nature which influence human behavior. I made the definition of color, example and its meaning. Then I wrote color and their meanings. Blue color, how affect the human being: trust, smart, calm, faith, natural. Red color, love, immediate, energy, sale, passion and anger. Black color, bold, rich, power, mastery and strength of evil. Green color is the aim of a soothing, eco-friendly, natural, in a way, jealousy and ritual, etc. Colors effect on human behavior also: red, blue, green, pink, orange, purple, black and yellow also. There is the mixing of color mixing. Thank you friends. This is the video of art and craft. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe in my channel.